ปัจจุบัน Facebook มีการอัปเดตมุกมีทำไมด้วยเป็นสมมติว่า verify selfie แต่ตรงจมูกยังมุกมีนั่งได้คือการปีกันในบอกเยอะแต่ตรงจมูกบอสสเปมthìไปแกะปีอัตราสัญญาณเราบอกมันจัดกันได้มันจัดกันในตัวจังให้ช่วยรักษาสวัสดิภาพเขาอยู่ของใดจังจุดปุ่มมีนั้นเราไปได้ยังลบเอ็นตูซับทำไมไอ้คือเวียนอันนี้ได้ยัง verify selfie มุกบอกยังตัวบันจังวินิสูตรฟังเต็มจังจังดังแค่มุกมีนั้นโจตบายไปไม่ตกเล็กตัวสนามวิดีโอนี้ดาวจังok ពីដំបូងយើងចូលទៅកាន់ Facebook សិនមកយើងបន្តមកចុចចូលសញ្ញា profile បាទបន្តមកចុច line 3ហ្នឹងមកយើងចុច 3យើងឲ្យទៅ Chrome យើងឃើញ setting privacy ហ្នឹងយើងចុចលើហ្នឹងមកយើងចុចលើកន្លែង setting បន្តមកទៀតយើងចុចទៅលើ account center បាទបន្តមកទៀតអ្នកនរគ្នាចុចទៅលើ password and security បន្តមកទៀតយើងនឹងឃើញ verify selfie ហើយយើងចុចឡើងហ្នឹងមកហើយយើងចុចលើ Facebook ហ្នឹងមកវាយើងចុច next បាទបន្តមកទៀតយើងនឹង verify code ពី WhatsApp ឬក៏ SMS របស់យើងអញ្ចឹងយើងអាចចុចបាននឹងដល់គ្នាខ្ញុំចុចនេះឲ្យមើលសិនអូខេបន្តមកទៀតយើងចុចនេះទៅយើងអាច verify selfie មុខរបស់យើងបានហើយយើងធ្វើម៉េចកុំឲ្យពាក់ម៉ាស់នៅកន្លែងមានពន្លឺគ្រប់គ្រាន់សម្រាប់ដាក់ទៅ verify ទៅជាមួយនឹង profile របស់យើងអត់ចឹងហើយជាមួយនឹងការ upload តាក់សញ្ញាណប័ណ្ណយើងបានថាត្រូវមុខអញ្ចឹងអត់អញ្ចឹងចាំពីការអាប់ដេតហើយគឺវានឹង load គ្រាឲ្យយើងចុចដានមកឥឡូវហ្នឹងគឺ Facebook របស់យើងគឺបានអាប់ដេតមុខងារ verify code ហើយអញ្ចឹងបន្តមកទៀតនៅពេលដែលយើង log in ថ្ងៃក្រោយអីគឺយើងអាចប្រើ verify selfie នឹងបានគឺវាងាយស្រួលអញ្ចឹង